Have successfully built and automated a 24-hour, 7 days a week trading automation bot that ties into QuantCrawler to give full analysis, and it's fully customizable. Let me tell you a little bit about what it looks like. So the automation system is called Ghost. It's coming out to our lifetime members on February 1 and then all of our other members on March 1st. The reason for this is our lifetime members are going to be able to work as like a beta test group. They get access to it early, and they've committed to the project early, allowing me to build this out much quicker than expected. So they're being rewarded with 30 days of early access to it. So I can fix any bugs or any issues that come up as well that I can't replicate just simply off of volume. I am forward testing this starting today for 30 days to get a correct win loss ratio, how it operates, what it does, fix the bugs that I can as a one man show. And then it just simply needs to get usage so I can figure out what's going to work and not work. And again, as a one man show, I just simply need people for that. So that's where the lifetime members are going to come in to get working on this. Now, last night I turned it on about 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, let it run all night long. And when I woke up and was at the computer at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so about 8 hours later, it had 7 wins and 3 losses. So, is what the bot does is it automatically scans the 15, 5, and 1 minute chart on TradingView via a Google Chrome extension, sends that to an API call within QuantCrawler at quantcrawler.com, which is the website I started and built. It does all of the AI technical analysis, gives should it go long or short, gives it the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit, sends it back to Ghost, and then Ghost via a webhook executes the trade. So wherever you have a webhook, Ghost will work. As long as you input where you want that data and that call sent, it will execute it as long as it's set up correctly. So let me stop talking. Let's hop over and I will show you exactly how it works and what you do. So you guys can see here we're 8 and 5. It's about 10:45. When I woke up at 6, we were 7 and 3. So we had a little bit better win rate, but 8 and 5 still good. Happy with it. It has scanned 34 times and it's taken 13 trades. That's how we get 8 and 5. And I have this set to where when it goes to QuantCrawler and QuantCrawler returns the analysis, if it's not over a 60%, it won't execute the trade. So the last one it executed off of was 75%. You can see here the market is open. The extension itself automatically turns off during whatever session you dictate. So right now I have it running 23 hours a day. It's closed between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m., like when the market is closed for an hour. So it will turn off during that time. Otherwise, it will fire right back up 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and continue operating as it should. So I currently have it set to MGC. And then if you actually open the extension, this is the dashboard, which is separate. So you can drag and move it wherever you want. It doesn't get in your way. But the actual extension itself up here, you can see that it's stopped. The market is open. You can pick these different symbols to have it run on right now. It's all coded in and embedded for those. I am adding more. This is just what I have right now for while I'm testing it, because these top three are really all I trade. I don't even trade these bottom two. I just added them in to test it. You can pick your number of contracts for when it sends the information out and your minimum confidence score. This is coming from QuantCrawler. QuantCrawler data is 60% or more on its confidence rating with its analysis. Ghost is going to execute the trade. You can also go into demo mode if you just want to paper trade it. You want to see how it's going to go. You can link this to a paper trading account, and demo mode will take action and go from there. It's not going to be in live mode, which I'm in right now. You can see that up here. So this is what you do. Before you click the button, you want to come to your 15-minute chart. You want to truncate this down the best you can to get as much price action as you can, and then get the candle that you're in as close over to the price as possible. Once you're there, you can verify these other charts, the 15, 5, and 1. You can see here how this has been going. All you want to do is come to Ghost and just click start, and then hands up and just watch it go. It takes a screenshot of the 15, it moves to the 5 on its own, it moves to the 1 on its own, and then from here it's running the analysis. So when we go open dashboard, it's waiting for the signal, and you can see behind us, it automatically put me into this long right here. Extension is showing we're in a long. This P&L isn't calculating right now. I'm still working on fixing that, so disregard currently. And then it tells me my stop, my target, and everything there. So now this is running, and is what will happen is when either the stop loss or the take profit is hit, this is going to reset itself, clear this position right here, and then start running again over here whenever it actually determines that you're not in a position. So Ghost itself is scanning the price over here as it goes, and it is waiting for this target to get hit or this stop loss to get hit. And when that happens, it will then go clear this, go back into analysis mode. And when it finds another that meets your confidence rating, it throws you into it and it automates it. So I'm going to do a 24-hour live stream and just let this run and see what happens. That's obviously not right now. That's coming up, but we are going to be doing that so you guys can see this any time of day, Asia market, London, or New York. And yeah, this is what it is. So again, let's just actually close this out. I want to show you guys one more time. We're up 13 bucks. Let's just close it out. So is what you want to do is your 15-minute, we'll go through one more, get your 15-minute as close over here to the price as you can, get as much detail in as you can. And then you just simply come up here and you hit start and hands off, and then you just watch. There goes the 15, the 5, and then here comes the 1 minute. It's going to run. We'll reopen our dashboard, and it will either put us into a position, which it just did. So you can see here, there is our position. We have our stop and our take profit. It automatically did it. I didn't do any of that. Ghost did it. And it's running, and it's a long stop loss at 4462, target 4477. So hands off, Ghost did it. Now I can let this run all the time. It will clear the position when it hits one of the prices, and it's set, it's going, and that's Ghost. This is coming to lifetime members on February 1 after I have plenty of time to test it and debug it. And then all other members get this on March 1st after we go through some thorough testing and some stress tests and fixes, and we'll be ready to go. 24 hours a day, crypto, futures, and forex.